Hey everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm going to solve this lab. First of all, copy this password, open Google Sheet in private window, then hit enter, then paste the password, Control V, hit enter, click on I understand. Now go to tasks, click on task 1. Now open this Google Sheet in private window, then just wait for load. Okay, now click on this file option and click on make a copy. Okay, click on make a copy, name will be as it is, no need to change. Click on make a copy and it will open in new tab. Now close the previous sheet. Now we will work on copy sheet. Now select this item sheet. You can see customer, beside customer there is name item. So select this sheet and now here click on this view and click on this freeze and click on one row. Okay, select view, freeze and one row. Now select this column C. Just put your mouse cursor on this position and select column C. Then right click on it and select short sheet A to Z. A to Z. Okay, done. Now go to tasks and now here copy this name carefully. No need to copy any extra space. Then come over here and now in the left below corner click on this plus icon, add sheet option, and it will create a new sheet, and right click on this new sheet and select rename. Okay, now paste the name, Control V, hit enter. Okay, now again go to tasks and copy this formula carefully. Copy this and again come over here and in new sheet, just in function section, just Control V, put your formula here and hit enter. Okay, this will kind of this look like. Now check my progress for task 1. Yeah, we got green tick. Now for task 2, we have to create a filter. So come over here, click on this data and click on this create a filter. Okay, now here click on this item column name, this name, and click on this filter option, and now uncheck this option, this name, uncheck this name one, and then just minimize this, it will be okay. Now uncheck this one and now just come over here and check my progress. For task 2 we will get green tick without any issue. Okay, now just before this we have to remove the filter. Click on this data and click on remove filter, then come over here. Now create a filter view. Now so for filter view, click on this data and click on create a filter view, this option. Click on this and it will create a view. Now here we have to save this. Now click on data again and click on view option, click on save view. Click on data, view option, save view, and name will be as it is, no need to change. Click on save. Okay, it will save. Now come over here, click check my progress. For task 2, you will get green tick without any issue. Now task 3 is format data. So before this, just simply we have to do a simple thing. Click on data and click on view option and then delete all views in tab. Select this, delete all views in tab. Okay, now come over here. Now go to GitHub repo. Now from GitHub repo, I will give this link in description. So download this file, right click on it and open it in new tab and click on this download raw file option, this download icon, and download it in your system. Okay, then come over here. Now just click on this file option and click on this import, then click on this upload. Now here click on browse and select it. Now here just wait for a moment for load. Now select this import location, replace spreadsheet. Okay, select this and select import data. Just wait for a moment, it will update. Okay, this kind of data will represent. Now go to tasks, check my progress for task 3. Now you have to check all remaining tasks and you will complete this lab very easily. Just check my progress for all tasks, check. Yeah, for last one, task 5. Yeah, we solved this lab. Now simply end this lab. Hope so today's video is helpful to you. See you next video. Still and tata, bye bye.